Hello guys, this is Rishabh and I hope you all are good and I am legal intern. Currently I am legal intern in the Lexus and Company and I am future lawyer. In future you will see me outside the Supreme Court and High Court when the media will take my interview. Anyways, uh, today's topic today's topic and today's assignment is on honor crime. What is honor crime? In India it is very that type of crime which is deeply in the veins of the public and the veins of the people. Okay, what is honor crime? Definition of honor killing. Honor crime, the illegal decrees by a caste, class, a community, panchayatis to annul or prohibit the marriage, social boycotts, and even the murder of couples also. According to the human rights, what's the definition of honor killing? As follow: honor killing are facts of vengeance, usually a death committed by a family member against a female family member who are held to have brought a dishonor upon the family. A woman can be targeted by her family for a variety of reasons. For a variety of the reasons, okay, uh, or for a variety of the reasons, and a woman not only targeted, not only targeted for the reasons, but including the refusing to enter in a arranged marriage. Okay, being the victim of a sexual assault, seeking a divorce, even from an abusive husband, or committing adultery. Honor killing or shame killing is the murder of a member from the family due to the executioner belief. What is executioner belief? Executioner belief is that type of belief which is very orthodox. You can also say that executioner means a orthodox belief. Executioner belief is orthodox belief. Okay, that a victim has brought a shame to their family or has brought a dishonor to their family. Okay, the victim has also violated the principle of their community or religion, usually for a various reasons like divorcing, separation from either of the house, either of the spouse, refusing to enter in an arranged marriage, being in a relationship that has disapproval by their family or community or religion, having premarital or extramarital sex, being the victim of a rape or sexual assault, dressing in such a way which is inappropriate, or denial of faith. What is denial of faith? What is denial of faith? Denial of faith. We deny the faith. We deny the fact and the faith. Okay. And let's we talk about the honor crime in India. What's the honor crime in India? Honor crime against a woman are committed worldwide. There is no doubt. It is not only famous in India, it is most famous in Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka also, and it is majorly found in the underdeveloped countries. It is majorly found in underdeveloped countries where the mentality of the people are not developed. Okay, when the mentality of the people are developed, these types of crime are also reduced, because honor crime is orthodox faith belief crime. Okay, they occur whenever a man regard a woman as his property and seeks to uphold this false assumption by a cruel and abusive force. These killings are reported only under the two categories: under the murder, section 302 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, and culpable homicide. Culpable homicide is section 304 of the Indian Penal Code, and the definition of culpable homicide is in 299, and the definition of murder is in 300. Due to this, most of the killing are unreported or reported as a murder, not a culpable homicide, but majorly as a murder. Thus, there is no proper statistics for this killing because it is included in the murder. So there is no separate a column of honor killing and honor murder of a person. There is no separate column and separate statistics and separate report. So that's why this report are included in the murder. Thank you very much. I hope you understand very much about what is honor killing and what is the law and under which law honor killing is under which law is honor killing is presented.